qualitative experiments are done without numbers, and quantitative experiments are done with numbers. The previous demonstration was a qualitative experiment looking at the concentration of solutions. And if you want to scale that up to a quantitative lab, you need one of these. It's called a burette, and it's basically a fancy graduated cylinder that's upside down. The number 0 is at the top, and you put liquid in the top and you can measure it out the bottom. The liquid inside the burette is called the titrant, and generally you know the concentration of it, and you'll titrate it against an unknown solution. If you know the volume when you start, and you measure the volume when you reach the equivalence point, you can subtract those two numbers and do the math to calculate the concentration of the unknown solution. Titration is one of the most common and useful labs that we do in chemistry.